In this lesson, we'll use the blue color as a selection to paint in the purple shadow and then use the polygon lasso tool to create a shape from the panel to fill a complementary color into the background. I selected the rest of the figure with the lasso tool and filled in the color. Let's make a new layer, and I'm going to name it Dark Blue and press Return. Let's click on that dark blue in the swatches area, and I want to use a soft round brush because I want to darken some areas on her face and on her body. So I'm going to paint with that soft round brush on her face, her neck, come down to her body down here. And notice when I paint the bottom down here, it goes out of the lines. So to combat that, you could do an extra step before you start painting. Let's go back in time, Command Z. Go to the blue layer and do a select, load selection, and then click OK. That's going to make the selection around the blue area that we painted. See, that's an advantage of having two separate colored layers. Click on the dark blue layer and let's start painting that dark blue again. And then come down here and notice how the blue does not go outside of the lines down here now because we made that selection. Command D to deselect. Pretty cool, huh? I'm going to click on the color layer at the bottom, make a new layer, and name it Orange. What I want to do is I want to color the background, and for that, I'm going to get the polygonal lasso tool. I'm going to click at the top, go to the right, come down to the bottom, go to the left, and then close it up on the top. Select from my swatches the orange yellow, and then do an Option Delete. See how that color is behind the blue layer? Command D to deselect. That looks really cool. The analogous colors with the complementary color. Command S to save. This lesson will continue in the next video.